Hey guys, Nikki here, and I swear I have a treat for you guys today. I swear I do. You guys know I'm always up to something. Always. And I recently did a haul. Lies. I did a haul about a month and a half ago, and I showed you guys some items. And after I do my hauls, that's when I go back and research the company, put my codes under them and all of that. So when I went to research this one company, I was like, goodness gracious, I could not believe how inexpensive the items were. So I went on Snapchat, Instagram, and I was like, guys, check this stuff out. It's only like $1. Like, I wouldn't have ever imagined that stuff being that cheap from the quality of it, feeling it, etc. So the company gave me a code, which I will leave below, to get you more money. I mean, hello, the stuff is $1, $2, $4, but hey, if you can get more money off, why not, okay? So I will leave that below, okay? But anyway, we got to put this stuff to the test, right? I mean, do it work? I mean, because if it's $1 and it don't work, then what's the point? But if it's $1 and it works, we hit a lick. Looking like I got a lick. So, yeah. Y'all ready? What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do the demo. I'm not gonna even talk a lot. I'm just gonna show you guys the stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys be the judge, okay? Because sometimes I'm like, I'm real cute. Then I go back to look at the camera on the computer, and I'm like, girl, no ma'am. So let me show you guys the items. So you guys, it was lashes in there, and here are the lashes, and oh my gosh, this is not, if this is not the cutest packaging right here, I hope it will focus. And it say hello gorgeous on the back, and these lashes are $1, and they have about 20 different styles, okay? These brushes, good quality brushes. You know what these brushes put me in the mind of, and I can even put them up against each other because it's at the salon, is the Kat Von D brushes. I'm talking about the handle is just like them, the weight, the texture of the bristles, everything. And these brushes are only $2, okay? The ultimate test today is this sponge right here. You guys remember in the other video, I was like, is this velvet? It is called the Fusion Sponge, and this is the box that it come in. And the reason why I'm testing this is because it's different. It say you use less product and more even application. But this sponge is suede. And this is the shape of it right here. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you can use it wet or dry. So let's go, because I'm tired of talking. No, I'm not. Let's just hope this work, because they sent me an entire box full of the sponges. So let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. Alright, so I zoomed in. We're going to start with the lashes. They're regular dollar lashes. This one on over here. They're very lightweight and similar to a beauty supply type lash. Not like the big, thick mink lashes everybody are wearing right now. So I would say these are like everyday wear. I looked on the site, and like most of them are like that. So I would compare these to like the beauty supply or Shop Miss A lashes, to give them a little bit more of a oomph if you want them to be a little bit more, you know, before $1. Great lashes. So my face is primed with my Hylamide matte primer and my Scandinavia oil control primer. So what I always battle with testing these sponges, which I did wet, so it didn't expand much wet. You know how some sponges get super big wet. So it didn't get really big, but it is really soft and, you know, and bouncy. So what I always struggle with when testing stuff like this is, do I apply it like I normally would? Because when I use sponges, you guys know I put my foundation on with a brush first and just use the sponge to blend it on in. But I guess for the sake of testing the sponge, we have to just use the sponge only. So I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. That's what I have been using a lot lately. It's not going to replace my Holy Grail, but I really, really like it. And I'm in shade 420. So I'm just going to, this stuff is so liquidy. It's going to run everywhere. I'm afraid of this, guys. I'm just, you know, when you do stuff like this for companies, you really want it to work. Especially being that this sponge is only $4. $4. You really want it to work because you don't want to really give anybody a bad review. But sometimes if it is bad, the company needs to know so they'll know how to improve it, right? Okay, so here we go. Bruh. Oh my gosh. It looked like we have a winner. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Hold up. Come on. So I'm not gonna stop recording, fast forward or anything, because I don't want you guys to think I manipulated anything or I used something else. We're just gonna keep the camera going. And this is looking awesome. Oh my gosh. This is one pump of the foundation. Oh, I love this. Do it look good, y'all? Sometimes these ring lights and stuff be blinding us. I think that looks extremely good. $4. Let me hear you say, let me quit saying $4. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Stick. I think that's what it's called. And I'm in the shade Latte. Bam. I already have it on. So the sponge, it feels a little dry now, but I'm just going to keep working with it because it say you can use it with or dry. So I will say the like velvet part on it soaks up most of the water pretty fast, but it's doing an awesome job blending this concealer in or filter stick in also. This is what we have. We're really up close and personal. Oh, this sponge is magnificent. You. The Patrick Star powder from MAC. And dip a little bit in the top. And I'm going to use this same sponge to like set my face. So it applies on there really good. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, since I have you guys here, let's test a few of the brushes. This is the ES02. I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and set the rest of my face. They're so soft. I swear, those no shade, those Kat Von D brushes are like $30, $40 and girl, that's all I'm gonna say. This is the ES05. I'm gonna contour with it. It's like an angle brush. Just gonna bronze with it, not contour. They showing out, huh? For $2. So this small brush is the ES06. I'm gonna shade that nose with it. Next, I will be taking the ES03. Love this brush. This is an exact dupe for Kat Von D brush and this Marc Jacobs brush right here, the face brush. So I'm just adding blush. So last we'll be testing out a fan brush, which is the ES04. You guys know fan brushes are in demand right now. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in this side right here is Hustle Baby, and applying that as a highlighter. Whoa, hold up. So yeah, guys, that's it right there. What you guys think? All right, I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. Let me know if you do. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell if you are a subscriber, so you'll know when I load a new video. And guess what? I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.